Time management is the best according to this. I do one question in 1 minute. So what that makes me do is I complete all my 40 questions in 40 minutes. So I just attempt all of those, whether I solve it, I find it or not. I just do, I just attempt once all the questions, whatever it is, all the 40 questions in 40 minutes. So what this thing does is, all the easy questions, first of all, let's say I just complete 30 easy questions or 25 easy questions in the one go, so I don't have to care about those. I just do the easy questions first and leave any difficult question for the last, so that in the last I don't have like one passage left whenever I have like 5 minutes or 15 minutes or 20 minutes the time left. So in that time I just do all the difficult questions. It can be 5, it can be 10. So I employed this strategy of doing one question in 1 minute, that I just completed all the my 40 questions in 45 minutes. All the easy questions I did at first, and all the the difficult questions I kept it for the last. There was a second passage which was quite difficult. I didn't had any clue where the answers were, so I left that passage for the last and attempted first and third passage first, then I went on for second passage. So that was quite tricky, but in within 45 minutes I completed all my 40 questions. And why I'm describing this is, you should also do the same.